Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by exporting the note so Android can read it. Open Notes, pick the note, then tap Share and choose Export as PDF for perfect formatting or Copy to grab plain text quickly. Exporting as PDF preserves images and layout. Copying text is faster when formatting doesn't matter. Once done, save the PDF to Files or paste the text into a temporary app. This makes the next transfer step reliable and platform agnostic, so Android devices will get exactly what you intend to send. Now decide how you'll send the exported file. If you want universal access, upload the PDF to iCloud Drive and create a share link. Share right arrow add people right arrow anyone with link right arrow copy link. Alternatively, attach the PDF or paste text into an email or a cross-platform messaging app that accepts files. This avoids compatibility issues. Make sure to choose an option Android supports. Email and cloud links work best. After selecting, confirm the file uploaded correctly so the recipient receives the intact content. Send the link or attached file and ask the Android user to download and open it immediately. PDFs open in most Android PDF viewers. If layout matters, recommend Google Drive or Google Docs for viewing and editing. If they can't open the file, resend as plain text in the message, compress attachments into a ZIP, or upload to another cloud service like Google Drive and share that link. One key troubleshooting tip: if images don't appear, export again as PDF rather than copying text to preserve media.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.